How to create WhatsApp group without adding contacts. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can create WhatsApp group without adding a particular person contact on your device. Now to do so, first what you need to do is open up the WhatsApp app and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on new group and you'll be able to create new group. However, you will have to select a single person here to create a new group and then tap on it, and then you can see one participant is added and you can create a group name here. I'll just create how to apps group name here and then tap on tick mark and the group will be created. Now the trick is, if you don't want this person on your group, what you can do is head over to the group profile and then you can see the participants here. Long tap on the participant name and you'll be able to remove them from the group. Now once you remove them from the group, now what you want to do is tap on the invite via link option and then you can send link to the particular person. You can copy link or you can share, tap on share link and you can share it to various other platforms and then they can be able to join to your group even if you don't have their contact saved by simply heading over to the link. So this way you can create WhatsApp group without adding contacts. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.